Maldives Unveiled, pole and line fishing in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Dive deeper into the mesmerizing world of fishing in the Maldives. With our exclusive video showcasing the traditional and sustainable method of pole and line fishing. Join us on a thrilling adventure as we take you aboard Maldivian dhoanis, where skilled fishers employ the age-old technique of pole and line to catch some of the ocean's most prized inhabitants. Experience the precision and artistry involved in pole and line fishing, a method that ensures minimal impact on marine ecosystems and promotes responsible fishing practices. Marvel at the agility of the anglers as they deftly cast their lines, targeting specific fish species like tuna with remarkable accuracy. Our video goes beyond the surface, providing an intimate look at the synergy between man and sea. Witness the camaraderie among the fishing crew, hear the rhythmic sounds of the waves, and feel the anticipation as I hauled each catch on board. This immersive journey captures the essence of sustainable fishing in the Maldives, highlighting the importance of preserving both the ocean's bounty and the unique cultural heritage of its people. Whether you're a fishing enthusiast or simply seeking a visual escape to the pristine waters of the Maldives, our Fishing Maldives Pole and Line video promises an authentic and unforgettable exploration of this time-honored fishing tradition.